Welcome back to Beautyistic, where comfort meets style. Now, I know what you're thinking. A massage table, really? But hear me out, because this isn't just any table, it's the BestMassage Aluminium Massage Bed, and it might just change the way you look at your spa experience, whether you're at home or on the go. This is a professional-grade, portable massage table that's designed with the user's comfort and practicality in mind. With a sleek, adjustable frame and the ability to support up to 450 pounds, it's perfect for massage therapists, estheticians, or even those of us who just want a comfy place for a facial or lash extension session. Let's dive in and see if it really lives up to the hype. So, the first thing you'll notice about the BestMassage Aluminium Massage Bed is its solid build. It's crafted from a reinforced aluminum frame with support cables and hardwood corner blocks, making it super sturdy. When you're investing in a massage bed, durability is key, and this one promises strength. It can hold up to 450 pounds, which is pretty impressive for a portable table. This means it's perfect not just for individuals, but for professionals working with clients of all sizes. The high-density sponge top, it's soft yet firm, giving you a nice balance of comfort and support during treatments. The height adjustable feature is another highlight. With a range from 23 inches to 31 inches, you get versatility that allows you to customize the table height to suit your needs. This is a real game changer, especially if you're a professional who wants to avoid unnecessary back strain. What's more, the adjustment is easy and tool-free, saving you time during setup. Now, when it comes to portability, this is where this bed really shines. Weighing just 26 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for such a sturdy table. If you're a traveling esthetician or massage therapist, this could be your new best friend. The included non-woven carrying bag ensures that the bed stays safe and protected while you're on the move. Plus, it folds into a compact size that fits into the trunk of most cars, so you can take it with you to home appointments or events without hassle. Setting it up couldn't be easier. Forget about complicated instructions or tools. You simply unfold the table from the middle, and the legs automatically pop into place. This quick setup is a time saver, especially when you're juggling multiple clients or treatments. As for the table's finish, it's draped in luxurious PU leather, which is not only durable but also soft to the touch. It's easy to clean, which is a must for hygiene-conscious professionals. Whether you're offering massages, facials, or lash extensions, you want a surface that's both comfortable and simple to maintain. And this table delivers. Let's talk pros and cons now. On the pro side, it's lightweight, portable, and durable. All essential factors for anyone in the beauty and wellness industry. The height adjustability is a huge plus, making it customizable for different users and treatments. The PU leather is soft, easy to clean, and adds a touch of elegance. The setup is a breeze. Just unfold, and you're good to go. However, no product is perfect. One downside could be the foam density. While it's soft, some users may find it a little too firm, especially if you're used to extra plush mattresses or padding. Also, for taller clients, the 31-inch maximum height might not be quite enough, but that really depends on individual needs. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product offers a solid return on investment. For the price, it offers great quality, portability, and ease of use. If you're a professional, or even if you're just setting up your home spa, this is a great choice that won't break the bank. When comparing it to similar products on the market, this table stands out for its portability and ease of setup. Some alternatives might be more expensive, but they often offer features that are either less practical or harder to use. The BestMassage Aluminium Massage Bed strikes a good balance between performance and price. As for build quality, it's clear this table is built to last. The sturdy frame and quality materials mean it can withstand regular use without showing signs of wear. The PU leather is not only stylish, but durable enough for daily cleaning and use in high-demand settings. Customer support has been fairly responsive from what I've seen, and their reputation for handling inquiries seems solid. Though I haven't had any direct interactions with them, the brand's reliability and ease of purchase make it a trustworthy option. There haven't been any major updates to this product recently, so there's no new formula or major packaging redesign to mention. What you see is what you get, and that's pretty great. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other portable massage tables on the market, but many of them tend to be pricier or bulkier. If you're willing to stretch your budget, some models offer additional padding or extra features, but they won't necessarily offer better portability or ease of setup. To wrap things up, the BestMassage Aluminium Massage Bed is a solid investment for anyone who needs a high-quality portable massage table. Whether you're a professional on the go or someone looking to create a luxurious at-home spa, this table offers everything you need in terms of comfort, durability, and practicality. While there are a few minor drawbacks, they're easily outweighed by its strengths. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any future reviews. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used this table, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.